What up, guys? Stubby with Hooking with Stubby. I'm on my way to go pick up a blue Chrysler 300. Broke down at a gas station and take it to a residence. Thank you guys for joining me. Let's get started. All right, guys, the car is just right up here around this curve at this gas station. I got my wife with me today. I might make her get out and do everything. I'll tell them to. Huh? I said I'll tell them to. Oh God, here we're gonna do this. All right, folks, so according to the owner on this one, the starter has been dragging and finally just went kaput. So we're gonna hook it, drop it in their driveway. They just live a couple blocks away. Let's see what we got to work with underneath here. Oh. Nothing on this side. Let's see if there's any hooks on the other side. I really don't want to hook the control arms. Up as fast as possible though, and get it out of this parking lot. Right here. Okay. No bueno. I'll have to hook the control arms on it. Normally when I hook one up, guys, I don't want that yellow buckle past the back bumper. This time it'll be okay. We're not going very far with it. Right. All right. This one's hooked, guys. Let's go deliver. Potty language. It's still on.
I know that.
Oh, what's going on, boss? I don't know. Dude, tell me about it. Now, I had a buddy of mine yesterday. He was over in Kansas, bought a 62 Chevy C60, 2-ton pickup. Drove it 2 hours from Kansas to Clinton. Shut it down in Clinton at O'Reilly's to buy some parts for it, just to spruce it up. Wouldn't start after that. I told him, I was like, bro, you have the worst luck because it only happened to you. That's what she said. She said it's got some gremlins. It still gives them room to work right there in front. Alright. Give you the key, Bo. Oh. All right, man. You guys have a good one. If you need us again, don't be afraid to call. All right, guys, that was another successful one in the books. Picked up, hooked, and dropped. No issues. Everybody meet my lovely wife, Krista. She drops in every once in a while just to keep me company. Every once in a while I can get her out to get her hands dirty. But I want to thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Go ahead, drop down to the end of this, bottom of this video, hit that like button. Drop a comment on what you liked about the video, or maybe you got some improvements. And always, down in the description is a link to the merch if you want to get you a t-shirt. I got a couple of them down there. I got some for the ladies, some for the men. I got some hoodies. But thank you guys for joining me. This is Hooking with Stubby. We're out.